Hello and welcome back to Costa del Sol with me. My name is Elina Nummenpaa and I play golf on the Ladies European Tour. Today I'm sharing you some of my tips that I think will help improve your game and enjoy it even more. You have probably seen my tip number one. That was about the warm-up before actually getting to the golf course and before starting to hit any golf balls. But today, now we are at the range and I'm gonna start hitting some balls. What I always do, I have this alignment stick with me. I use that when I start hitting golf balls. I choose a target. Today, right now, I'm gonna choose my target is the yellow flag. I'm gonna aim to that. I'm gonna take the alignment stick, aim it precisely to that. We can adjust it by checking it. That's about it, just an inch. Okay, now my stick is aligned perfectly to my target. Now I'm gonna take my setup. You can choose. You can choose to do like I do. I place my feet rather close to the stick, or some people like to have the ball closer to the stick. But no matter how you do it, it's really good to know that it's now aimed perfectly to your target. So now I can focus on a good posture, good setup, and good technique. What I actually often see is that the players, they might choose a target. Their target might be the yellow flag, but then I often see that they are standing so much away from it. They might be very close with the feet, so then they have to start compensating too much with the swing. And then you're only gonna practice false reps, bad technique. It's not gonna do any good for you. So my tip is always use the alignment stick, aim properly, and you are able to swing well with a good technique.